This is KNIPEX Tools Alligator Water Pump Pliers. Actually, this is a very good pliers for plumbing, all kinds of plumbing jobs. So the first one, it opens really big like this. So this is 1.5 inch. So you grab it, you probably don't need that much. You just put that right around the middle, I think. And you can grab this, right? And it can open super wide. It's easily to grab anything. And for the teeth, this one has been abused for a lot, so the teeth is still good, and they got some fine teeth and some pretty rough teeth right here, so you probably won't wear them off. This tool is made in Germany, and I think the design is super good. You see here, this is a little cylinder, and when you open it up, it can move flawlessly. Move here, and you can just turn whenever the distance is right. Very smooth, no problem. The back is the same, like this. Also, this tool is lightweight. The material it uses is very minimum. You see, they cut off all the unnecessary material, and you see the handle. It's super easy to grab. The rubber feels good, and the size of the handle feels good. No matter where you grab it, you can grab it tight and firm. So no matter you grab a small thing like this, you see how well it grabs this, or something is bigger. So for this one, I'm gonna open it up like this. The way it grabs this, it's always got a surface to grab the pipe. No matter how big the pipe is, you see here, it grabs it very firm. And if I open it really big, even more surface grab on the pipe. I like this tool. It looks good, feels good, designed like an art piece, and works great. I think everyone, if you do any kind of like a plumbing, or you got some pipes to turn, I think this is your #1 choice. Also, I think the 10-inch long is the most versatile for any job. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.